Can HRT really help with menopausal and perimenopausal weight gain? Hi, this is Dr. David Kim. I have a lot of patients that come to me with symptoms of menopause and perimenopause, and those can include hot flashes, night sweats, insomnia, brain fog, fatigue. But probably one of the symptoms that bothers them the most is the weight gain. And they might be working out, have a healthy lifestyle, eat really well, but all of a sudden they're gaining a lot of weight despite all the exercise they're doing, and it bothers them a lot. So they'll come to me wanting a hormone replacement therapy, sometimes not even for the other symptoms, but to treat the weight gain that they've been having. So does it make a difference? Can HRT prevent the weight gain that you have from menopause or perimenopause? It's a really good question. And while there were some studies that seemed to show that there was some improvement in weight gain when you're on hormone replacement therapy, the largest study, which is a Cochrane review that looked at several different randomized controlled trials where they looked at people who got the hormone replacement therapy or they got the placebo, and they found that there was no difference in weight gain or weight loss in the two groups. And these studies looked at 28,000 women, so they're pretty significant and definitely outweigh any of the other little small studies that have shown different outcomes. So when Cochrane looked at it, there didn't seem to be a benefit in taking hormone replacement therapy for reducing weight. Now, in the context of hormone replacement therapy, let's just like to give you some background. What I usually do is I'll give someone estrogen patches that they change twice a week, and we'll titrate up to the improving their symptoms. So the most common symptom, the one that's only been approved for by the FDA for use as an indication for hormone replacement therapy, is actually hot flashes. Now, it does have the additional benefit of helping with night sweats and brain fog, insomnia, and mood swings, and great reason to take it. You also have to take progesterone pills every day to offset the risk of uterine cancer. So the hormone replacement therapy is something that can really help with those symptoms. I think indirectly, for some people, it might help with weight gain. So for instance, if you happen to have so much hot flashes and insomnia and you don't get good sleep and you wake up really tired and you're miserable and you don't want to go work out, you start eating poorly because you're feeling so miserable. And then in those cases when the hormone replacement therapy helps relieve those symptoms and they get back to their normal healthy routine, then they can lose weight. So in an indirect way, hormone replacement therapy can help those sorts of patients that normally have a good lifestyle and they've just been diverted from their normal path. Now, there are patients that come to me, they have none of the symptoms of hot flashes, insomnia, or any of those things, but just the weight gain is bothering them. Now, weight gain is actually a normal process of aging because your metabolism slows, the muscle mass starts decreasing, which normally burns a lot of calories. So because of that, people gain weight gradually over time, and then you sort of hit that sort of adds up, and then when you get to menopause, it's all of a sudden seems like a lot of weight gain that's occurring. So some of the things you can do is, of course, maintain a healthy lifestyle with exercise, but also add weight-bearing exercises to build muscle mass, and that will make a big difference also in terms of weight loss. So if HRT is not the solution for fighting the weight gain that you're having in menopause or perimenopause, what's the best solution? In addition to a healthy lifestyle, I would say that adding a GLP agonist is the best thing that you can do. Now, you may have heard of some of these medications like semaglutide, which is known as Wegovy, the trade name for weight loss, and the diabetic version of it, treat diabetes, is called Ozempic. And then there's tirzepatide, which is Eli Lilly's medication, and actually has two receptor medications, GIP and GLP, and that's called Zepbound. Those two medications work miracles at losing weight. And I think if you qualify for it, meaning you're in the obese range of your BMI above 30, or you're overweight, meaning above BMI 27 with another comorbid disease like PCOS or hyperlipidemia or prediabetes, those are all reasons to go on the GLP medications. The GLP medications are great. For instance, semaglutide, you'll lose an average of 41 pounds, and some people a lot more. I have hundreds of patients on these different medications, and that would be my first go-to solution dealing with the weight gain. So it could be a two-pronged attack. We're going to do the hormone replacement to help you feel better, allow you to sleep, get rid of the hot flashes and night sweats and the mood swings, so you just feel better. And then with that, we add the GLP drugs will go ahead and lose a lot of weight, and people feel fabulous. Some patients I have feel better than they did in their 30s and 40s and 50s. So I think the combination of all these things can basically optimize your quality of life. This is Dr. David Kim.